Graciela. I'm in there. Present for you be this Sunday. You want to get your present. And we come to the
Everybody set up the Easter stuff.
Come on, let's go find. There. There. We are confused. Find your
There's like no
present.
Oh, there's a baby there.
It's for baby, not for
Oh,
brother. Come on, Graciela. Quick.
I got your present, but I'm not telling. You'll find out on Tuesday.
Okay.
Really hard choosing, though. Don't know what you like. Other stuff, but you'll give away. It's really cool because you can clean the house now.
What's that?
It's a broom.
For?
Cleaning the house.
Can you say V?
You don't even do any work.
No one. Say V.
I got your present!
Yeah, I got your present. Cool.
For?
Cleaning the house. 'Cause you
Helping
don't.
mommy.
Yeah.
You are 10 years old now.
You're 10 years old, so you don't have to. You can't sit down like Michaela. Mommy. Michaela can't do anything. And you have to do it.
Okay.
Let's wrap it up.
Mommy has to cook, and you can clean. Cook and clean. While Mommy's cooking, you can clean. That's your job now, not to sit on the sofa, watch your iPad. Now you only have 1 hour, and you get 5 hours of cleaning and 1 hour of iPad time. That's how much.
2,000 years later.
That's the last night of.
Your lashes are long.
We are going to
Can I put mascara in your eye? No! You like blush coat your hair, put eyebrow gel, put a little bit of blush and lip gloss.
we are going to go cut my hair tomorrow.
Last
I'm so
night.
happy, Venancio. Surprise me when you get home, yeah?
This thing is gonna go out.
Oh, yes. Hey, only one
Taka mo, mami kata sini.
Ow!
You're like that, like pull.
See, what's your.
Ponytail. My order.
And then.
Wait, just let me take it off. I love. Wait, why are you playing my hair?
Let's see.
Your tongue's up.
Let's see.
So handsome.
You
look so Sheena.
Uy, benar sih you. Bigger mana nih? Ayaw, mana foto nih?
You get all the girls.
It's because the Bible said we can't do the picture that.
Wait, let's show us.
Ini very bonito liu daddy nih. Ada.
Wait.
Ini nih Hasan deh kamu. Silip dia.
Rob, it makes you look taller, fam.
You
Oh
need
my
to listen.
days.
Oh, no more. Hai, no more lasso.
Nemulas husi ya.
44 na my mommy right ya. The barber say what?
The Bible said now you will get more gowns.
Huh? Get more girls?
Yeah.
Wow, so handsome. Mommy ba na?
The monkeys can't pull. See, perfect for now.
Happy birthday.
Nobody said it yet.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
No.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Venancio. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
Woo! Now you can eat.
Yay!
That's just the start.
It's just the start.
Yes.
Just the start.
Morning. Happy birthday. Come on.
Feed.
You okay?
Yep.
Huh? Want me to give you something or not?
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
Bye.
See you at 3:30.
And also, I killed you while you were tapping.
Yeah, but I killed you like something talk about my powerful sword.
Yeah, but I killed you. Because
Afternoon.
That's balloons.
that's candy. Wow. Oh, yeah, you can't open it.
Wait.
No.
Options. But can I open both of them?
Yes, but not now.
Not now.
We have.
No, don't get you focus on the food.
Get me floors.
The test day.
The temp.
I know, mommy and me worked so hard on this. And your thing is still.
You need to pray.
Blocks.
Pray finish.
This is definitely mine.
Teresa Tersulai, Makita.
That's definitely mine. I'll take it. Don't wipe your nose on me.
Oh, I
Say
love
hi, brother. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Come on, kiss brother.
Kiss, brother. Say
Venancio, put it back.
what is this? Happy birthday, brother.
We came last.
How your friends look, yo?
I saw, mommy, their reactions on this, mommy.
And
And one of the person was like, ah!
Hmm?
One of the person were like this. One of the person were like this.
Happy birthday!
You saw all this one, and I saw all that one.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu.
Nanti jag vill lägga present, okej?
Yep.
Bah, sunna, bah, tekan tan.
Hey, it's smart. Okay, I don't want to do this.
Ahora vamos en la pero queda. Queda.
Happy birthday to be. Come on, Graciela. Happy birthday to be. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to be. 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 Tiup lilingnya, tiup lilingnya, tiup lilingnya sekarang juga, sekarang juga, sekarang juga.
You gonna blow it.
Yeah, make a wish. Blow. Yay! Come on. Yeah. Yay! Happy birthday.
Wait, hold on. Take out the candles first. Ready?
Mmm.
From Okos, because you said.
Oh, it's melty.
Yeah. Wait, take out. Wait.
Musik nola saya. Spoon. Jadi saya tahu tiba ni candle tissue ni. Saya tissue.
Okay, fine.
Put the candles in the
Yeah. First cake for Gracie.
No, Mum. No, Mummy and Daddy all up.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Go. Amount.
Happy birthday.
Mommy, she wants cake.
Mami. Happy birthday.
To Michaela.
Michaela now. Yes.
Ooh, you done it, hakarak. No.
No, to Marcella, then me.
Oh, that's good.
Spoon.
That's good.
Hmm.
My turn.
You can eat the rest.
My turn.
Cara ni, saya fat pui mahang na.
Is it lame?
Come on.
Chocolatey.
Come on, take a picture. Wait.
Wait. I need to get it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Cheese. Kayla.
Cheese. Look at Daddy.
Okay, viết mày.
Cheese.
Kayla.
Hurry! Hurry! Option 1. It's heavy.
Yes, heavy.
Come on, open it
3,
then.
2, 1.
I have no idea.
Option number 1. Option number.
Option 1.
You're joking.
From. Open it. Put it.
No, open. Look it.
Tao yung oin eh. Tao yung oin eh.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a phone because it's not that heavy.
Look it. Latin eh.
See, I told you.
Surprise!
Two apple mo ka na. So you ask. Expensive eh.
We have apple and
iPhone expensive. So just
Look
give
at the other one.
iPhone.
Look it up.
This one's for me.
From Graciela.
Let's
Wow, 10 years old.
This
So,
one skip to the
okay. Have a very happy 10th birthday to V. I hope you like my girls
My gift.
gift I gave you from your sister return.
Right, that.
What's this then?
no, that one, the white one. This one's no.
Oh, that one.
That's mine.
One
Oh, you
little
stop.
chocolate egg, which I don't like.
I'll have it.
Another pen.
Venancio. 4.
Yeah, wait.
It's
Pen.
from Graciela.
Thanks. All of these are for Grisella.
No, these are.
The
Yeah, these are
card.
from
Yeah,
Gracie.
this one. Hope you like it.
How did you find this? Where did you find this?
In the works.
Give your sister a hug.
Baba ga, ay muy pala ni. Yay!
You can open the Rubik's.
Yeah, it's already completed.
Open option 2 now.
Option 2.
Let's go.
Number 1, ba.
3.
I have no
Wait.
idea what
2.
Michaela, chocolate.
Wow, chocolate.
I don't like chocolate.
another layer.
Wow, another layer. Next we knew there's going to be another layer.
It's probably one of the small.
another Lego.
Huh?
Lego.
What? Another layer. I can see a bit.
Venancio.
What?
It's probably
Wow,
not even
probably
real.
another
It's
apple.
probably another apple.
Yeah, probably
No,
another
open it.
apple.
Open it. Does
Probably
it tell?
another apple.
No,
What's that? Atululay.
It's an apple.
Venancio, her doodle.
it's another apple.
Hey,
Okay.
hey, open, look it.
It's another apple.
Look at doodle.
Oh, from here.
Yes, see?
From here.
It's another apple.
Where's your
What if it's a plastic?
Venancio, Danny's.
It's definitely a apple. Turn it on. Try turning it on.
No, it's battery low.
Show it to us.
It's probably fake.
Let's see if it's bigger than yours. Wait, let's just see. It's
You're still stuck with the iPhone 8.
Galaxy A05.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Who do you say thank you to?
Thank you, Daddy.
V.
I guess this is now mine. Daddy, I guess this is now mine.
Use the phone. Now you start using the phone.
Yes, this one.
My apple.
Give that iPad to Grisette.
I actually kind of want the apple now. Can I have the apple?
V, what if mummy and dad takes your phone away? Fine.
Oh, never mind.
No, not the Rubik's Cube, Michaela.
God, it's bigger than my phone.
And I
Put
was
SIM card. Bana, start put SIM card.
That's the SIM card.
That's the SIM card.
Tu nici phone number. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. It's the SIM card.
What's the initial
Gift
phone
card.
number?
Yeah. And you can download the game inside.
Here.
Yeah, this is your SIM card.
Can I have the phone, V? And you have my phone?
No, you're.
Wait, is this Google Pixel? Oh no, it's not.
No.
No, it's not.
It's probably a SIM number.
When did you get this?
A charger. It's a charger.
Huh?
It's a charger.
How did you get the...
V.
It's a charger.
V, let's see if it's bigger than your hand. Oh my gosh, you guys could have gone for a small phone.
What does that mean? Ben video. What does that mean?
Wait for English one and then start. Wait for English.
Well, then if you got a phone. Will I get a phone next year?
When you 10, you get the phone.
Yeah, well, not next year because you're turning 9.
Well,
No, this year I'm
English.
turning 9. Next year I'm turning 10.
No, English UK, not Australia.
English
This year I'm
UK.
9. Next year I'm 10.
English
If you actually
UK.
followed my age.
Start next.
What about me?
You already have phone.
15, not 8%, huh? What?
iPad is now
iPhone
with
or
cameras.
iPad? What does that mean?
This one is mean you want to transfer your data, your games from your old iPad to
Yes!
here.
Yes! Old iPad.
Open.
Me?
Yes.
For me?
Yes.
Priscilla, it's for me. From...
Just open it.
No, it's not.
From?
Amazon.
What is that?
What is it?
Screen protector. Screen
Thank
protector.
you. That is
Screen protector. I'm not the bin. Here. You can put it. Daddy, screen protector. Here.
What about the